So I often get asked this question that, how is it that I have invested and built an amazing team? Well, all I'll tell you guys is that it ain't easy, okay? It takes patience, it takes a lot of hard work, and more importantly, you have to have a clear-cut vision. You gotta have a clear-cut vision by which you can, have that ability to instill the same kind of confidence and belief that you have in yourself, because your team is going to be a reflection of you see. And if you ain't going to be doing what you got to be doing, so there is no point in investing in an efficient team. So if you want to have an efficient team that can get out, that you can deploy and execute the tasks that you want, then you can have an amazing life and travel the world and visit beautiful locations like these. Okay, so I'm at San Francisco right now. This place is called as the Fisherman's Wharf. This section is on Pier 39. There's an amazing submariner here, which was used during World War II. I'm going to show you so you can take a look. That's how it looks. Bonito. So if you are coming to San Francisco, make it a point that you guys come here, check out this lovely place, and enjoy the weather as well. Yesterday when I landed, it was very windy and cold, but today, because the time right now is 1 past 20 in the noon, and so far things are looking fine. So I would recommend that come during these months, during June, July, as you would be able to enjoy the weather and at the same time enjoy the scenic locales out here. All right, guys, take care. God bless.